How to fix Roblox keeps crashing. First of all, head over to your Play Store. Here in the search bar, search for Roblox. Move into this application. So right here, instead of play, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And this might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on Roblox. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. But even after updating the application, if it doesn't work for you, then what you want to do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application Roblox. Move into storage and cache. So right here, you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. So tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage. Click on OK. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from this application, and it will make your application run smoothly. And it might also end up fixing the issue that you have been facing. But if you're still facing the issue, then in the next step, what you want to try doing is head over to the Play Store. You need to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and you'll be good to go. Well, that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.